Welcome to this week's episode of My Hot Journey with me, Bruce, your host. Today I will be launching a 3-week special of Food Truck Face Off. And the very first thing you need to think of when doing something like this is to make sure it's not freaking winter outside, because that's a really stupid idea when you're going to be eating outside. So tag along and let's see what good we can find in this lovely city. China! The second rule to think of when doing something special like this is make sure that they actually have a food truck outside when it's winter time. However, I managed to find the place to visit in form of a restaurant, so still gonna count it though. And we're going to Bun Bun. Let's see what I got. China. Well, your boy is back into the warmth, and I bought 4 tacos and 1 of each protein. Right, so we are starting off with our portobello, and of course all the 4 tacos have extra sriracha and extra chilies because, well, I'm me. Let's have a taste. I am a mushroom kind of guy, and this is freaking delicious. Next up, we have the tofu. I've never been a tofu kind of guy, but it does look delicious. Let's try it and see if they can bring me back to the tofu world. Here's the bun bun. The freshness of the herbs and the chilies and the overall everything is actually really good. A little bit of crunchy carrots really adds to it. Fantastic as well. Next up, let's enter the world of animals. We're moving on to the chicken, the lemongrass marinated chicken. Look at this. Fabulous. And as to clarify, yes, I do clean my nails. This is motor oil. I mean, as far as vegetarian goes, you can't beat chicken on meat. You just can't. Wow, just wow. Alright, let's finish this off with the braised pork. I mean, come on. Ah, sláinte. Oops. Welcome back, Bruce. So I could have 4 more of each of these 4. I do like to say that the chicken is the best one, but they're all amazing. The staff at the place is amazing, the environment is amazing, and if you add the extra chilies, the extra hot sauce, it does bring a sting to it that really lifts it to the top. Join me next week when we continue our Food Truck Face Off special for 3 weeks going. And on the third one, we're gonna reveal the absolute winner. Today, I'm giving this a solid 8.5 out of 10 in full taste. Make sure that you remember to subscribe to my channel, that you put on your notifications, give me a thumbs up if you like this, and yeah, you've been watching My Hot Journey with me, your host, Bruce. I'll see you next week. All right. Tjena!